Hey, you all, and welcome to Friday Cocktails with Friends. I hope you're glad to have this week over. I know I am. Goodness, the TGIF. So, I'd like to say thank you to Lance for my introduction and to remind you to go back and check out Lance and also Tiffany that were before me before I send you on to Donna. Or, no, after I send you on to Donna, go back and check them out. So, we're going to bring you down on this canvas and let's get started painting and see what comes up. It's a cityscape, and I have never done one, so I hope you like it. Mwah.
So you live in the dream. You should see it through someone else's side. Another cipher to break, while the grass grows underneath my feet. Been running out of time for so long. Hello, 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 Leah. Now I'm running out of so long. Hello, 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 Leah. Hope I got the time to tell you. Hello, 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 Leah. Hello, Leah. Got a pure heart, kind of honesty that will always stay. Don't ever let him bring you down. What a terrible thing to say. My fingers out of sight. Hello, 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 Leah. I was lost inside a maze of night. Hello, 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 Leah. I stayed up and watched you till daylight. Hello, 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 Leah. Hello, 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 Leah. Hello, 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 Leah. Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond a bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way. No, no, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond When I stare into the night, I can see the burning light, shifting slow from red to green. Sweet, sweet dreams. Every breath means letting go. Climbing my silence to show. Peaceful rest is not a test. Sweet, sweet dreams. Deep sleep, big heat, cover me. Re-energize me. While I fantasize, deep sleep, big heat, cover me.
Okay, guys, so there's my first cityscape, and it's a little bit of a hot mess like me, but I think I'm in love with it. Yay! And once again, I want to thank Tiffany and Lance, and I want to send you guys on to Donna at It's Art by Donna, and I'm going to wish you guys a bunch of peace, love, light, and tons of laughter, and do join us next week on Friday. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye. Love y'all.